Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Volvo XC40 Recharge. First, let's identify the charging port, which is conveniently located on the rear left side of the vehicle. You'll primarily use two types of cables, one for standard home outlets and another for faster charging stations. Understanding these basics is key to a smooth charging experience. For home charging, you have two main options. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt outlet, offering a slow but convenient overnight charge. Level 2 charging, however, utilizes a 240-volt connection, significantly reducing charging times. This often requires a professionally installed wall box, providing much quicker replenishment for your daily driving needs. When you're on the go, DC fast charging is your quickest option. These powerful stations can add a substantial amount of range in a short period, often taking your battery from 10% to 80% in about 30 to 40 minutes. Always ensure the station is compatible and check your vehicle's maximum charging rate for optimal performance. To get the most out of your XC40 Recharge, aim to keep your battery between 20 and 80% for optimal longevity. In very cold or hot weather, preconditioning your battery before charging can improve efficiency. Don't forget to use the Volvo Cars app to monitor your charge status and schedule charging sessions remotely, making your experience even more convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.